The best deputy minister in Ghana. Yanya Yagina. Honorable George Yokuda. Aja Kwablantia. 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 Meja said a miracle. Next one, Brantia, Ababawa, and sure to both your good dream. At Ressa, Upa Casawadach. One percent is our battle. We are. Come on. I promise you. Maybe come as them. Let Papa Chow. So we are party new bank. And I prefer fire. What did you know? Who should be? Miss Row. I can't call me. Come and be back. Free as such a. I buy the buyer. Young in the fire, young video first. Trouble. Sabrano. Never go school. Sabrano. Never be a medino. Me go school no enye. Ba me turu no say. Ghana kwadana ban. Asase afie bia. Ye ni me fo. Afie bia. Ye nya empi. Afie bia. Ye nya doctor. Afie bia. Ye nya minister. Trouble. Anything no. Me call na for na nyuna. E ko bi one dance here. Say, I the papa. Mommy, papa. And na me tetia. Obi say, enye yi. Hey, so onyakopo buawo. No mommy no papa wo. No nya fie nya sakakra. No nya suku di ani kawo. Adari sabua. Oba dani sikeni. Today, it's Mislamo. Ebra, Yasi Dori, na Kadani Bako School Nidia. We are Brantia Waha, we are Baba Waha, we are Mami Waha, we are Papa Waha, Miss Slow, I won't be another. Now, Ebra is December 7th. Yakotua Bana, as I see a Tuabano, I don't know Nipa, or Papa. I'm going to sit down. DJ, oh, sir. Okay, sir. 3 seconds. Sir, fuck boy. 1 is to 1 fighting. Sir, hospital so besi no safa ya pa kwanta project safa tamale interchange safa Kumasi Swami interchange omu kusoma ya M5 Sukuu so akaso besi safa railway system safa Sukuu free no abakwano safa etu mesramo nini anu ketua ni wo faasifo mesramo eduru se akwa bana ya anu mo de anya oda ati no hwehwo ya anu mo de anya oda ati no mo hwehwa etu mesramo na bi wasu na woni no na bi wasu free se ya bi ka se ya de ya ure fie na ajapo me pampa disi bibia wo so free me kwala ko me tati bibia free so me wuro fi abia me sasa na so wuro fi dia abia tu ya brantie ababa wa kachira o mame afa no wi school kachira o mame kachira papa so be o buo kachira ne se oda titi o ba ne taw o ko to ba no o ko to mo wan ya ta mo budu ba unia na tie ayo tobo empany fo bu baby say sabi baby o gbantina no na le ba fi ya dai si akoko ba ni ma doctor mo budu ba unia na se ya to ba na ma empimleku buka na chese Dr. Mamudu Bawumia o papa bra o parliament ayi kaske wonbo enu ti upa to abana wodi ma Dr. Mamudu Bawumia na wodi ma dai mi ku buka enu ti ya ko ba ti so two. Today. I don't think you are going to say. What come to you say? Ya de tu ni makakrabi. Ya de tu ni makakrabi. Bawumia kunye, bawumia kunye, bawumia kunye, bawumia kunye. Shower. That's a ma who want to say ẹ̀dá ni bẹ́ẹ̀ du ẹ̀yẹ December 17 náà wò kọ́ property wọ́n kọ́ àwọn wọ́n pípa o ó pa afáṣẹ́ ọmọ tó mu ó pa afáṣẹ́ ọmọ tó mu ní eyi wà tí a ní nkọ́tó ní sọ wọ́n dúró wọ́n sọ ní ẹ̀yẹ bí pípa ni ma wà ní wọ́n hwẹ́ wọ́n sẹ́ ahyɛnsofi a ɛsɛ sɛ ɛbɛ pípa ni nyina so no ɛwɔ so yasapo akyerɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ papa na mmom ɛnhwɛ baabi a firi sɛ yɛnhwɛ baabi a yɛyɛ gyina otua di apɔnne mu ɔno nso ne ɔkannifoɔ ɛno nti yɛde pipa no ma wa pipa no so no picha biara na so bio yɛnyɛ obi adeɛ bio na mmom yɛnyɛ nyɛ onim yɛ yɛnyɛ nyɛ ɔbɛtumi ayɛ yɛnyɛ nyɛ wayɛ bi da yɛnyɛ nyɛ yɛbɛyɛ ayɛ bi da ɛno nti ɛyɛ soro number one. And it's all Jacob. The same Jacob. The same Jacob said, I'm not bring. And let's tell him about you got two banner. Meaning say inshallah. You are 2.0. You are winning. Let's say you're winning. And you are 2.1. Ọba ni man. No be the public be able. Sada ya ebe winning. Busu mi si asope. Ọmọ obi eni yi. Me shall see a concert party. Me and movie no kura mi die. I hope for now. Any of my thing. Any of my baby. Me didn't have day. As you will be some of your branch and the war. I am no premier. Party so I'm called on here, no so. I am papa. I'm Papa Samasa. No more playing canco. I need to be slow. A branch here. Tapa. Mama Tapa Samano. I'm going to say, Tapa here. You need to do. I'm going to go. Sabi me Luka. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn èyí ẹ̀dùnmá ẹ̀lú tínú mímú sẹ́ èfiri sáà bìrẹ̀ kọ̀ sí ẹ̀bẹ̀ tó ọba bẹ̀ wíyẹ ní NPP àbáyọ̀fà ní ọmọ èkú bí kàtí sọ̀ ní Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ẹ̀nà ẹ̀yẹ Ghana president rẹ̀ ẹ̀nìpẹ́ bí ẹ̀sẹ̀sẹ̀ bá tẹ̀ka mẹ́rin ẹ̀bá tẹ̀ka constituency tẹ̀ka Nigeria. you. Yes, I will. And you will see for. See for. DJ, Mami, let's go, DJ.
This year with the card of the man. I'm going to be with the card of the man. Who's going to be the card of the man? With the card of the man. Repeat to the Saman Duarte. I have one minute to walk up. And give you some more, Hannah! Pedalos up, pedalos up, pedalos! We're gonna do! 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 You're cool with the card of the man. You're cool with the card of the man. You can't hit with the card of the man. I've been up and home up for someone. You're gonna move it to the other. You're cool with the card of the man. You're with the card of the man. You're with the card of the man. I've been up and home. I don't with the card of the man. Get with the card of the man. You're cool with the card of the man. Get with the card of the man. Found me on with the card of the man. Card of the man. Get with the card of the man. I'll see you with the card of the man. What's your with the card of the man? Get with the card of the man. MPP with the card of the man. This year they are with the card of the man. Monday when they with the card of the man. We are them card with the card of the man. Where my neighbor come from? Where my neighbor come from? Hey, come on, hey, hey, come on, hey, come on, hey, hey, come on, hey, come on, hey, baby, you don't want to hear me. Baby, you don't want to see me. I get caught by the one biter. What's up? In case anything goes wrong, anyway, can you up here text because I make you want to tell you. We are big boy, we are not making a call. We are the person that take part of going on for you. Enyanwangwa, MPP Enyanwangwa, Yehuni Enyanwangwa, Yetina Enyanwangwa, Gutina Enyanwangwa, Media Enyanwangwa, Lego Enyanwangwa, Papa Enyanwangwa, Montomame, one, Enyanwangwa. Mami mama rap and I'm on his own kaya. Super Maya, the plateau. You throw out on the plateau of the room. Somebody said, he found the heat.
Onyamin Shiramu Nina Tapamai, Onyamin Shiramu, Yedamwase, Mamefa, Papa, Mama Baba, okay, don't tell. You're the paying for buyer. You pay you more at your more. Then 10, you do. Maybe you're not as successful. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then Empire. And then Empire. The mercy. And then I'm paying for Kabekun Safra. No more say money. No more say money. That's your blue. That's your blue. Today, now so Yamame, former member of parliament, former deputy minister of the Western Region, Honorable Gifty Kusi, and so Arabi. Today, as summer, and Western Regional Chairman, the fellow the game changer, Honorable Ndede Islam, and so Arabi. Today, that's Honorable Kobe Ocho Dako Skippy, and so Arabi. Today. Let me about those girls now. Let me about Apostle Suffolk and Tanka Babana. Your friend, our member of parliament for Domo Kwabenya. Your friend, Madame Lawyer Sarah Adjo Safia, and so Today. After so, Makasa Mafro, Ebeye MPP General Secretary, and now our senior advisor to the incoming president, Honorable Engineer Kwabena Ade Japan, and so Ade, aka Kalahari. Today, as a group. Former Deputy National Women Organizer of the MPP, Hajia Sadatu, and so Awaha. Today, PSUAha. Number 1, Chairman, that's new Ojinapa. She said, yeah, we do a brand Tianoa. Lojuma Soni, and then a honey be catching them the fair. Sabra Tiano, and we had a Kwame Kurma of Takwa Soul. When they say the fellow Ejimora, yes, Ejimora, indeed, la yepa to Ejimora at a year. I send me myself at a year. I send me myself at a year. I brought you on the mother shift. Or people and my grace. In fact, the next member of parliament is 2025. Let us say we near community. Honorable George Mobu Pika. Today. Thank you. Today, yɛduru asɛm no ɛnisi ankasa Tobe, yàrá fún munya bùtẹ̀. Ẹ̀wọ̀ ahombrasiẹ ma Ghana, ẹ̀wọ̀ ahombrasiẹ ma Ebia, papa yi, ẹ̀wọ̀ emisuwadi hunu a ọbẹ̀tumi di adani ọman yi, nhyehyẹ pa a ọde bẹ̀tumi adani ọman yi, papa yi na ẹni ẹhyia no, wàbí yie. Inshallah, the next president of the Republic of Ghana, Inshallah, the commander-in-chief, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Abamono. And the other Ghana. We didn't have so a piazza so that time we know your vice president.
I'm right here in my baba warrior. I buy a between Modachi here to Abano. The Yankopasha MPP. Or my Mampeni Papa. I obey any my friend Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Party Bay. President for time. Or the school feeding buyer. Or the health insurance buyer. Or the capitation grant buyer. Or the free bus ride buyer. Nana so the free senior high school aba. Yeni ekua yedwemo ho. Yakopon so ayi obi a Owa Jimpa, Neniswadi Unukwekse, is a man of vision, a man of integrity, a man of intellect, a man who has drive, who's prepared to drive the country forward. The Assembly, the Ambassador 2020 no SCBO. We need a majority in Parliament, and we stand on the threshold of moving Ghana into a new platform, and we can rely on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Then it is the same. Nyankopon Swesha to Obia Valley Gomoti Chams the Siana Obia Pagani Gomoti on the 7th of December. Babia Osujano Nani Bajina. Babia Osujano Mrs. Say. Baby, I'm so young, let me say. And the whole Bawumia, yeah, who's I say? Bawumia. Ah, same thing here, can't say, talk off for money,
for this constituency, Honorable Mreku Duka, and we are the Duka. Papa. Obia manisado. Na Obia our phone be also on the lights, no. Obia our phone be also on the lights, no. So, boy, obi back, what the president. Obi back, what the president. Bruma come on the president. Osule Chinyabo. Obuma come on the president. Watch odo papa. Na mawaka tre Dr. Bawumia yede. Doctor Takwa Insayed. Ya do papa. Now at least we are giving you 70% of the vote. And your name, and then you be our Brazil. Now you want to casa. When you don't want dumb, now I'm also dumb. So boy, when you don't want Pamasam, now I'm also Pamanasam. Now me that's there. What the whole NPP, no what NPP, no one you the NPP in party. Over to what? I'm a Ghana. What for the campaign from? So boy, now Papana, what for the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Meyin Esan Kakra. Na Oyepia Oswanyame. Oyepia Owa Wobrase. Oyepia Owa Yimzi. He's a visionary. Na Meyimde say a buana also about Broadway. So boy, Mr. Professor Maba Watisa Kwangwani Medabasio Nashadaba Yadiye Yamilabo Nashadaba Yadiye Namaste So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Maya Punte Piana Yamia Dom So Yamaye Babaya Pray Babaya Piamai Namsika Yameti Ola Hachi Ozi Amaye Choboy minus waha minus 4 waha Mesrese Sisi Amika say and this fresh Shankophobia say banya demonstration say abai Alpha Tabu and to man so Entin cry, Bananam, that is the class one cry. Bananam, Bablock wrote one cry. Honor mine in tea. Now, may catch us, sir. I buy way on banning mine and on banning mine in Ochina. I buy way of the miners. No, you say, mining. Abetuwa kwa ama Ghana abetuwa kwa adefra onunti abawe on the mining da mobeko so my mining na moya no responsibly near abawe empany say ye be say isuo ono ani ade a abawe ompe na abawe so aye hihye say nyame adom na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba Oda bebe say yes you no oda ba ho ban mani nyina na ni atekura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba mu no ya be ko so ya mine no me ya no responsibly minim say takwa nkuti takwa Israel na ni kwaso gold that they produce for Ghana. Not less than 50% of our gold threshold is coming from Takwa Israel and Itango. So, Enti Yagamo, you know here? Na Yaguamo, meaning Sebebre, Neaye, and Yafias and Bosso, Abrapa, Otaria, Quine, Abrapa, Oja, Ora, Quine, Joboy. Na Meslamo Mutie Basemi. Yewa Mahama. Why assemblyman? Why MP? Why a deputy minister? Why your minister? Why your vice president? Why your president? Only you so. Why say you again and force the Kenya? Ah, my friend, S. Gracia. Ya say yes, Kenya mano. Ya man the class where the alcohol. And not for fear. Why this car? Why for no home? No one for fear. So your president to be. And for this kind of year, as I become baby, say, I'm a president. I'm going to say, no, be a Kwasia. So, we say, we know to Ghana for Kwasia. So, boy. So, the man there, I'm coming back, that's your magic. I will find the DJ who made it. If you don't, if you come, if you don't want to get it, yeah, get plenty. If you do music, that's the reason for get it. Really, I'm so much. I'm still so much. Wow. Consequence tonight, dear members. Watch say, Ampa, Murekuduka will continue to be the FD of Takwasam constituency. Bugina Muni say, Yenipa Mino, Ena, Ye Pusu Ding, say Batlako Yanoso. Dr. Bahumia, any of my Puni Dada. I'm on Puni Dada, dear, we're not now Puniano Sope. And yes, Obatina Puniano So, and Jobia. And over country say, in Namina Asa, na Akadu, some time. Don't put in tea, not chalk, and put na a problem with school. Don't put in tea, you got doom some if you 9. Don't put in tea, teacher training allowance, okay, no. Don't put in tea, nursing training allowance, okay, no. Don't put in tea, National Ambulance Service, everywhere. And in I had to about 2016, and I had to about a free Bible. And then I say, a person somebody. What person somebody? What person somebody? Yeah, person somebody. Now, also, MPP are buying and the MP in control. The President Kufuor of the National Health Insurance buy, of the school feeding program buy, of the free maternal care buy, of the capitation grant buy. Now, on my penny dada, Deba no diaba. On my penny dada, Mahama, Deba no diaba. Deba no diaba. Ishishebe na biaba. Doom so. Ana confirm. Me challenge you. The country say
ɔmbɔ adeɛ baako a ebi a ɔde aba ɔntumi ɔgyina hɔ na ɔse ɔno deɛ n'aban ɛyɛ adeɛ kyeeɛ ɛsɛnyɛ ɛna meka kyerɛ no sɛ ɔgyina hudi a ɔmbra na yɛnyɛ debate 1-on-1 maano amaano ɔmbra na yɛnyɛ debate meka obisa ne saa no odwaneyɛ osoro ɔmba nana adukufo abɛyɛ Dr. Bawumia yɛde nhyehyɛeɛ bebree aba wogina mu nim yɛde free senior high school aba yɛde free technical and vocational education aba yɛde teacher training allowance aba bio yɛde nursing training allowance aba bio yɛde zongo development fund aba yɛde agenda 111 aba yɛde drones aba yɛde Ghana card aba yɛde digital address aba yɛde mobile money interoperability aba yɛde gold for oil aba nhyehyɛeɛ bebree ɛde nkonto ɛba nansɛn yɛde drip district road improvement program efidie a yɛyɛ akwan yɛde ama district biara in Ghana yɛyɛ adwene ɛyɛ adwene a yɛka sɛ it is possible ɛne nti na mepɛ sɛ moboa me na monto aba no ɛma me na membɛtoa so ɛnyɛ edwuma ɛne edwuma bɛba monkontuo ɛbɛba no yɛdie nyinaa yɛde adwuma mebɛyɛ ɔmampanyin a mede nhyehyɛeɛ foforɔ ɛɛba Ghana nhyehyɛeɛ a ɛde ɔta sika ahyɛ mu nsam wohwɛ aborɔkyiman no a ɔmo asetena mu ɛyɛ mmerɛ sɛ yɛ deɛ nti a aborɔkyiman no asetena mu ɛyɛ mmerɛ no ɔmo wɔ adeɛ a yɛfrɛ no credit system no kyerɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ wotɔ adeɛ ɛhia sɛ wobɛnya cash no nyinaa ɛkɔtɔ wobɛtumi akɔfa na wotua kakra ɛyɛ TV na wohwehwɛ a na woakɔfa na wotua kakra ofie mmiɛnsa na wotua wie ɛyɛ kaa na wohwehwɛ a na woakɔfa wotua kakra na Ghana man no deɛ biribiara a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ wohia cash na wobɛtumi akɔtɔ ɛnyɛ saa na ɛma asetena mu ɛyɛ den no enti adeɛ a ɛwɔ aborɔkyiman no credit system no mede ba Ghana ha mede credit system no ɛɛba Ghana ha yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛwɔ Ghana ha yɛso bɛtɔ adeɛ na yɛtua kakra na ɛde ahotɔ ama obiara Today, yɛtɔ so no sɛ wohwɛ yɛ electricity bill a ɛwɔ soro dodo yɛ light bill no akɔ soro mepɛ sɛ mede deɛ tia akɔ soro no sɛ yɛkra oil and gas ɛyɛ electricity oil and gas so wokra ne boɔ no ɛwɔ soro enti na electricity boɔ no ɛwɔ soro mede nhyehyɛeɛ foforɔ ɛɛba ɛde electricity boɔ no aba fam ama obiara because Ghana, you take a bold decision next year to move away from oil and gas and go for solar power to generate electricity. When you say electricity going back down by 50%, reduction by 50%. Edi nyinaa ebenya afaso efi hɔ mede nhyehyɛ foforɔ so ɛbɛboa small scale miners ɛwɔ Ghana ha yɛpɛ sɛ mo mine responsibly na monya sika enti yɛde community mining schemes no ɛɛba mabo yɛbɛgye shafts a ɛwɔ unused shafts a ɛwɔ abandoned shafts a ɛwɔ hɔ for mining companies no turn wɔn into community mining schemes amabo. Maybe bank minerals development bank tamuchi na bank no ama loans na moto equipment mining equipment na mo di year ejuma no na mo di year ade a yam peno se mo be ko mining wonsuom asay yesu na say environment by the community mining schemes amabo achire mo bibia gold no yo na mo akoto na na nyesika na Ghana so enyesika today the person maybe she for air and then upe passport just I go to from one feel with the documents nina I go passport office before passport from no so bibia omo hia no e da Ghana card no so bibia omo hia no e da Ghana card no so enti be ba upe passport o Ghana card o feel form bio o Ghana card o feel form bio o feel form bio and then it's all the truth may I bring you the passport about we know today numerous persons with disability remember tertiary education for free. Today, the new fund, Women's Empowerment Fund, Women's Trade Empowerment Fund, and my age before, Lady Sika, Ebetua. Bakumo, Yebetamuchi, any Sika, Namujano, Edi, so we are bringing in capital for women traders. So my age before, Yedisika, Eva Mamo, Namadi, Ejuma. So, Mujinamunim, sorry, be a vice president, Minyam the president, Oman Penny Danadia, what the president, and yes, Oba, Obotimianya, president, if you're not and yes, if you're not on some Batako, on the boom Kuntao, maybe I'm not the money and Yamiado, make me empty if you're watching, if you're not doing, Messa Bataqua, I'm a boom Kunta, I'm a boomina. Empty, Mutu Abanomania, Maya Ejimati Amabo. Na metimi abebu nkonta na menu so na maka ntere me say Dr. Baumia toaso na toaso chewe obia oshe nkonta obia oshe ejuma maye ewo Ghana ha mebaye obia di adansie say Usha vice presidents are Ghana since independence. Unya vice president where Ejuma Ase Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. And yes, vice president Ejuma Napasi. Enti mumpromotimi na minkoye president mumfestiano emati mumfestiano emani mumfestiano emani mumchikano nembo today more drivers maybe shisha forever driver's license no Ghana is valid for 6 years. But every 2 years we are just renew. Every 2 years, just renew. Maybe driver's license no, maybe system it will be valid for 10 years, and you renew every 5 years. Every 5 years you renew, and it will be valid for 10 years. Today, when you have him say, you are balloting no, make that number one, Duka Osunu Suta number 1. Yenina the number 1. Esua. Mutu Abano. And Dr. Maria. And George Moko. Duka. Kulanasi. Yanisha Nina.